What is up, YouTube? This is James Dubsetter Bonzo coming back with you a fan pack. So, I messaged Galaxy Birds on Instagram asking for some stickers. So they sent me some stickers. So, let's get opening to the stickers. So, they sent me a thank you card, or thank you letter. Greetings. Your free Galaxy Bird stickers are enclosed. If you wish to, please take a quick minute to rate us on the Apple App Store. Thanks for your support. Happy gaming, the Galaxy Birds team. So, they sent me one sticker, two stickers, three stickers, and they sent me a fourth sticker. So, thank you, Galaxy Birds team. Thank you for this nice small fan pack. Thank you guys. God bless. Peace. God bless.